Want to talk about your favorite season or your birthday month in German? In this video, you'll learn how to say the days of the week, the months, and the seasons in German to boost your vocabulary. Hello everyone and welcome to Sprechify, where we make learning German easy peasy. My name is Francesca and I'm a native German speaker with over 7 years of teaching experience. This video is part of a series from my complete German course for absolute beginners. If you want to go even further, you can find the full course on Udemy. The first 100 students will get a 60% discount on the full course. Check out the link in the description. And now, let's dive into today's topic. Hello and welcome back. In this second lesson, you will learn the days of the week, the months, and the seasons. Let's start with the days of the week, die Wochentage. Die Woche means the week. And we will start with the first day of the week, which is Monday. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. And with the days of the week, we will use the article der because the days of the week are masculine. And we also use the preposition am. And at the end of the word, you can put s, and this means repetition. I will give you examples with each one, to understand better. So, am Montag habe ich einen Arzttermin, which means on Monday, just one day. It's not a repetition. Dienstags treffe ich mich immer mit Freunden. On Tuesdays, I always meet up with friends. So this is something I usually do. Der Mittwoch ist mein längster Arbeitstag. Wednesday is my longest workday. Donnerstags gehe ich zum Deutschkurs. Der Freitag ist mein Lieblingstag. Am Samstag gehe ich einkaufen. Sonntags entspanne ich meistens zu Hause. Let's practice. Let's see if we understood the articles, prepositions, and the s at the end of the word. So, how would you say Tuesday is a full day? Right. Der Dienstag ist ein voller Tag. Die Monate. You can say Januar or Jänner, but you will hear more often Januar than Jänner. Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, Oktober, November, Dezember. And with the months, we also use the article der, but now we will use the preposition im. Der Januar ist der erste Monat im Jahr. There you can put, but you can also leave it. So you can also say Januar ist der erste Monat im Jahr. Im März beginnt der Frühling. Now let's practice a little bit. So how would you say August is my favorite month? Der August ist mein Lieblingsmonat. Now we will continue with die Jahreszeiten, the seasons. Spring is Frühling, summer is Sommer, fall or autumn is Herbst, and winter is Winter. The seasons are used with the article der again, and with the preposition im. Im Frühling blühen die Blumen. In spring the flowers bloom. And der Herbst ist windig. Autumn is windy. Let's practice again. How do you say summer is warm? Exactly. Der Sommer ist warm. And how do you say in winter snow often falls? Good. Im Winter fällt oft Schnee. That's it for now. See you in the next one.